We're up here in the corn. We're hooked into a four-wheel drive.
We're being taught how to four-wheel drive. We're at Spear Creek, which is where Larry was the first person to hang glide off the top.
Mount Horrocks years ago.
Off Mount Horrocks years ago.
So I've got to go and pay a track fee to use the track. I've been using this track for 24 years, but up till about 12 years ago, people who were staying here could pay the track fee and go and drive it. And then how do we eat the camel? One bite at a time. So we just got to wait until we get around the corner before we decide where the track actually goes. And that's where we can go. So we're going to come onto the side slope. So Larry, you're going over, but Kat, you'll be coming back on this one.
Okay.
So have a look at what I'm showing. So as Larry comes on, the vehicle is going to tilt.
Wow.
We can only go so far to the left. So we are almost certainly going to hit. Then we're going to hit. So when you do, if you know that's coming, because we've already gone for a walk, it will.
Okay. Everybody ready?
Yes, I've got complete faith, mate. We're going to be okay. We're going to go out of rock mode.
Yes.
Out of low 4, so out of rock mode first. Yep, out of low 4. It needs to be neutral. Give it a chance to catch up. All good. Yep, we're back to the equivalent of high range. You don't
so we
actually
just want to go on that one there.
Yep. And then we want first gear.
Yep.
Tap up for first. Yep, handbrake off. And then we so come off your brake, let it go in second. See how fast it is. If you don't like that, feather the brake, feather the brake, feather the brake, and then slow it down. That'll do. Alright, and we go, righto, this is pretty gnarly. I need to slow it down, so we'll do it next.
It's got to be in gear, doesn't it?
It's got to be in neutral.
That's, it's in neutral, right? That's in. So that's active.
Yeah, put your
10%?
Yes.
100% control ready.
So are you in first gear? Not yet, you're in neutral, so come down. Tap. First gear, blinking, and now it's in. This is where we've got to trust the system.
Yep, so I'm going to...
And you don't touch your brakes.
Okay, so
it's just going to do its thing. All you do is focus on steering. Get off your pedals. Flat on the floor, flat on the floor. And eventually when you get to the bottom you go, I think I've got control. All you do is stop, turn off hill descent control and keep driving. You're already in first, you're already in low range. Just turn the hill descent control off and then you won't hear those noises. Just turn that off. Press the button.
Now am I...
You're still in 4 low, so that one's no longer orange. We're still in rock mode, we're still in 4 by low.
We're looking at Larry driving through the sand.
accredited four-wheel drivers. And today we've been up to just below the launch at Mount Horrocks, where I used to fly hang gliders many years ago. I drove up, Cat drove down. And we've been into Port Augusta, we've been on sand hills, we've been bogged and used our front recovery points and a snatch strap. And now we're going to go to the pub and eat and drink.
Yep. And look at our lovely camp setup.